Hello everyone, Bilyasa Sujimi B. So for this video, I will discuss about Clinometer Trigonometry. So ano nga ba ang clinometer? Clinometer is used to measure the angle of elevation or angle from the ground in a right-angled triangle. A fairly simple instrument which is used to measure the angle of slope. So ang clinometer guys is dako siyang tabang para ma-solve na to ang height. A clinometer or inclinometer is an instrument for measuring angles of slope or tilt, elevation or depression of an object with respect to gravity. Clinometers are measure devices that may be used in several different professions, also known as an inclinometer. The essential function of the device is to determine accurate measurements as they relate to slope, height, and distance. So we have here step by step to measure the angles. So step 1, pick a spot. Pick a spot to measure your object. So in this step, I measured a telephone pole. You should be far enough away from your object that you can see the top of it, and you need to be on level ground with the base of the object. I like to sit something down by my feet once I've picked my spot so that I can easily come back to it. Step 2. Measure angle. Here's where we, here's where we bust out our handy clinometer. Look through the straw of your clinometer at the top of the light pole or whatever object you're measuring. The weighted string should hang down freely crossing the protector portion of the clinometer. So, in this given, so ikuan na to na 90 degrees ang atong nakuan na angle. So, vision from your eye to the top of the pole. It can be helpful here to have an assistant to read the measurement while you look through the straw. So, dapat na putay assistant na mutanaw sa kung unsa gyud ang ato ang na-measured. So, step 3, measure distance. Once you have angle of vision, use your tape measure to find the distance from the spot you're standing to the base of the object you measured. So, an assistance come in handy here too. We must know how far away you are to accurately calculate the height. So, in this step 3 or in the picture, the spot was 15.6 meters from the base of the telephone pole that he measured. So step 4. The last piece of data you need to calculate the height of your object is the height from the ground to eye, your eye height. Their eye height was recorded for this example as 1.64 centimeter. Step 5. Time to move inside. In calculating the height of the object you must measure, I find it helpful to begin by drawing a picture and labeling it with all the information I have. Step 6. Model as a triangle. Simplify your drawing to model your system as a right triangle. Label your triangle with the angle you read on your clinometer as well as the distance you were standing from the object. We don't need the eye height your just yet. Step 7. Solve for x. So, we can find x in this triangle which represent the portion of the height from eye level up by using some basic trigonometry, especially the tangent ratio of the triangle. Tan times angle equals x over distance. So multiply by the distance on both sides and you get the x equals tan times angle times distance. So in this example, use a calculator to multiply these together and get a decimal value. Be sure your calculator is in degrees mode rather than radians. So in the example, tan 35 degrees equals x over 15.6. So x equals tan 35 degrees times 15.6 is equal to 10.92 meters. So muna ito ang x. Step 8, combine with I height. To find the height of your object, bring this x value back to the original drawing. By labeling it, we can see that the height of the object h is equal to the x value we just found plus the I height we measured earlier. So we use this formula h equals x plus I height. So kaya ang ato mang x is 10.92 meters, so ato siyang ikuan dinaa. So ang atong I height is nakuha na to siya gain na 1.64, so we can add these two. So 10.92 meters plus 1.64 meters is 12.56 meters. So ang height sa ato ang telephone pole is 12.56 meters. So that's all. Thank you for watching.